Music is made with instruments. Actually, a lot of instruments. Even more instruments. Which makes it versatile. But also, well... but also makes it incredibly hard to cover a song all by yourself. So one solution to this are piano arrangements, which is basically a notation for a song so that it can be exclusively played by the piano, like a piano cover of a pop song, for example. And while there are many piano covers you can look up online already, it's still quite likely that if you're looking for that one song, you won't find any. So what if you could create your own piano arrangement for your favorite song, independent of genre and popularity of that song, with just a few clicks? That's exactly what I'm gonna show you today. Hi, I'm Chris from Klangio. And if my voice sounds a little cracked, I'm sorry, I got a little cold. Alrighty. First off, open up your browser and head over to melodyscanner.com. A link to that is also in the description of this video. So Melody Scanner is a tool that relies on different AI models to transcribe and transform music in many different ways. So first off, we'll click here on Get Started for Free. And I will just log in using my Google account. And here we are in the songbook of Melody Scanner. So we're interested in transcribing a YouTube video. And for that, we will hover over the screen plus over here and click on YouTube to Sheet. And in here, we will select the arrangement mode. And as you can see, this tool has many more features, for which I will go into detail in future videos. So stay tuned. Next up, we can select the difficulty of the arrangement. If you're just looking for a simple melody you can play with one hand, you can click on Piano Easy. But if you're looking for an advanced arrangement, like playing chords and melodies, you can definitely go for Piano Full, which is what I'm going to do. Next up, we will look up the original song for which we want the arrangement for. You can also paste the YouTube URL directly in here. I will just look for Stuck in the Sound. And we can also select a start time and a stop time for the song. I will just leave it as it is. Finally, I can edit the title, the composer, and agree with the terms and conditions. And we click Start. And that's all we have to do. As promised, it's really easy. It takes less than half a minute for the arrangement to be generated from the YouTube video. And once that's done, we can click on the song right here and view the sheet music of the arrangement. Now we can click on any part of this song and press space to play it back. I really like that part, and obviously the original song. Now, since I'm already happy with this arrangement, I can download the sheet music as a PDF up here, Export Song, and then click on Export as PDF. I can also select some more settings and finally click on Export. So now you can save it on your PC, print it out, basically do whatever you want with it. You can also view the whole thing as a piano roll if you're having trouble with reading sheet music. Furthermore, you can switch to the edit mode in the top left corner over here. Now you can manually manipulate all kinds of notes to give the arrangement your personal touch or just correct errors that the model might have made. And feel free to experiment a little with different difficulty settings of the arrangement and different genre of music to figure out which settings work best for you. And if you're looking for even more features like viewing the whole sheet, and downloading more formats like Music XML and MIDI, you can check out the premium version of Melody Scanner. And of course there are many more apps by Klangio, all available for web and your mobile device, which you can all find at klang.io. For transcribing singled out instruments like a piano, you can try out piano to notes. Same goes for transcribing guitars as tabs, or even transcribing your voice into notes. I hope that explains the most basic process of the arrangement mode. Hey, this is Chris from the couch. If you got something out of this video, you can consider subscribing. Also, check out the other videos of this channel, and if you got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm very happy to help. Bye.